Here I have Motorola Moto G71, and today I'm going to show you how to change photo resolution in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, go to the photo settings, and here you can change its resolution. Here you have rear photo resolution, and you can also change front photo resolution. So you have 12.5 megapixels resolution or 8 megapixels. So yeah. And here you have 16 or 4 megapixels. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.